Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make curved library shelving. Okay, first of all you have to make a circle with this circle tool, and then you have to position on this origin, and then you can set the segment around 100s and then press enter. Okay, so it would be more smooth than before. And then you have to make a radius around 1500 millimeter, and after that you can offset it outside around 500 millimeter only. Okay, then you can see by the curvy shape with a circle, and then you can set the width of the curvy library. Okay, and then you can select this line anyway, then you can delete half of the plane, and then you can delete it, erase by select erase, and you can delete another unnecessary line anyway. Then you can get this curve, and after that you have to push it up until the thickness as your desire. Maybe you can set the 50 millimeter, then just press enter and make it group anyway. And then and after that you can select move and just press control. You can position on a blue axis. You can set the value maybe around 1000 millimeter, right? So this is just basic curve, and then you can draw the shelf on with a rectangle right here, and then you can push it up. And after that you can make it group and just make it component, just create it. And after that you can rotate it and position on origin, and then you can just position on it. I'm sorry, you have to use this rotate, and then you can position on this for the first, and then you can press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then you can position on it. And don't forget to type the count of the shelf as you want. For example, you can type 5 slash and just press enter, so it will be automatically arranged with this arrangement. And after that you can make and after that you can make maybe you can make middle shelf of the circle of the curve area with select this curve, single line curve, and then you can offset it outside around 250 millimeter, right? Okay, and after that you can offset it outside around 15 millimeter, and just inside 15 millimeter also. And then you can activate your hide rest of model, so you can clearly look for this object, and then you can just erase, you can just erase this line, and then you can just select this center line and edit, copy, and then exit from the component, exit from the group, and then you can edit, paste in place. And after that you have to push it up and go to the top level of this cabinet, and then you can make it group anyway. Okay, so it has been divided into two phases, from the exterior curve and interior curve anyway. And after that you can select this base plane, and then you can move and just press Ctrl, then position on it, and you can type 3 slash, so it will be set to equal arrangement of the shelf anyway. So you can push it up so to a little bit smaller than before, around 25 millimeter. And then you can also do the previous method with the same value to make it smaller than before also. Then you can get the curve anyway. You can get the curve. The books of the curve has been finished, and for finalize this project, you can make it more representative enough to you can make it more representative by draw the book arrangement with a rectangle. Anyway, you can draw the book arrangement by rectangle, and then you can set the any size as proportional as possible. Then you can select this line, and then you can push it up with for any size as proportional as possible. So you can just adjust it with the scale, so you can adjust again, and then you can move and press control it to make duplicate. Then you can adjust it again and again with the scale, so you can get the natural arrangement anyway. You can do this, and you can duplicate it and more, so you can get the natural arrangement of the book anyway. And after that, you can adjust the color of the book arrangement by using this color, or you can set the color. Anyway, you can set the overlapped color anyway, so you can select this, and you can using this for more representative arrangement. Then you can select this book only with a left click and just make it group anyway. Then you can rotate it to make it more okay. You can position on it, and you can rotate it again. Okay, something like this. So you can only copy to the surround of this bookshelf by using rotate, by just click this group object and select rotate, and select this origin, and you can select this area. You can select rotate and just select origin, and you can select this end of arrangement and just press control, and you can position on this side anyway. Then you can type maybe about 6. I have to repeat it. You can select this and just rotate, and then you can select this point and just press control to duplicate. Then you can select it, and then you can type 6 slash and press enter. Okay, so it would be the arrangement. But if you feel the arrangement are too so far, you can try to delete it again, and you can adjust it again. You can adjust it again by select this book and select the rotate, and select this area, and select this area. You can type 9 slash, just press enter. Okay, so it would be automatically arranged with a grid arrangement of this book. Anyway, then you can just copy it into the bottom position and just select move and press Ctrl and duplicate it to the bottom position also. Anyway, okay, so you can do it. It's too complex poly anyway. When you draw the book arrangement like this, it's too complex anyway. And after that, you can fill the inner position of this curved bookshelf. Anyway, you can fill this inner position to make it more functional look by select the move. By select this move and just select a rotate and just you can adjust it, and after that you can duplicate it by select this object, select rotate and position on the middle of the circle, and then you can select this end of group or corner of the group, and then you can position on it and just type 6/ just press enter. Okay, wait and see what about the automatic arrangement will be. It's too far for the distance. It's too much distance between the book arrangement, I mean, so we have to repeat the rotation with the previous method anyway. So you can follow this step and just click and just type 8/ and just press enter. Wait and see about the result of the automatically arrangement, and I hope it would be a great arrangement of curved bookshelf. It's anyway, I think it's better than before, because it's so you can just adjust this edge of arrangement by using a rotate to make a better position of this book, and then you can also reposition it manually by using a rotate, and you can adjust this book. You can adjust this book by one manually. Okay, something like this, and you can adjust it with a rotate tool. Adjust it and adjust it. And so you can see with a rotate tool, just it will be more perfect arrangement than before anyway. So I suggest you that if you make a bookshelf for any type or any design, you have to make book arrangement to make it more look representative than it just only self construction itself, because it would be great representative when you present to your client or to your partner in interior design maybe. And I think with the book arrangement like this, it's too complex profile, because it gonna high poly it, making this object will be high poly anyway. So I suggest you you have to use high-end of hardware you use to make a complex object and component in this case anyway. I think it's one of my special case because it's too complex and we try so hard to make a perfect curve bookshelf. And the final step, you have to assign the material to each bookshelf. Anyway, you have to assign the material, and then you can make it group. Then you can just make it group and just move and press Ctrl to the another side, and then and then you can flip it along with a red axis and just see it. And then you can add component. You can add a component to make it more realistic. So you can use the people, silhouette people in this area. Maybe you can use these people in this area, and so it would more look like better than before. It would make the perfect scale of this design. I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.